Binance versus Mudrex. Which crypto platform wins? Choosing the right crypto platform can completely change how you manage your investments without complicated setups or high fees. Binance offers extensive trading options, while Mudrex focuses on automated strategies. Binance and Mudrex serve crypto investors but differ fundamentally. Binance is a comprehensive exchange for manual trading, while Mudrex specializes in automated crypto trading strategies. The core difference lies in control versus automation, catering to distinct trading styles and experience levels. Binance is one of the largest global cryptocurrency exchanges, offering access to hundreds of coins and tokens. It operates as a centralized platform where users can buy, sell, and trade crypto assets directly. Binance supports spot trading, futures, margin trading, and staking, providing a wide range of tools for active traders. The platform features an intuitive interface with advanced charting and real-time market data. Binance's strengths include deep liquidity, low trading fees, and a robust security system. However, its vast features might overwhelm beginners, and the manual trading approach requires constant market monitoring. Binance is ideal for traders who prefer full control over their trades, enjoy researching market trends, and want access to diverse crypto products. Users comfortable with hands-on management will find Binance's flexibility and scale unmatched, but newcomers might face a learning curve before mastering the platform's complexity. Mudrex is a crypto trading platform focused on automated investment strategies, allowing users to invest without active trading. It works by connecting users' exchange accounts to algorithmic strategies created by professional traders and developers. Mudrex offers a marketplace of pre-built strategies, enabling investors to choose based on risk profiles and performance history. This hands-off approach removes the need for constant market analysis, making it accessible for beginners or those with limited time. Strengths include ease of use, automated risk management, and diversification across multiple strategies. Limitations include dependency on third-party algorithms and less control over individual trades. Mudrex suits users who want to grow their crypto portfolio passively, leveraging expert strategies without the stress of manual trading. It's perfect for investors seeking convenience and automation rather than active market engagement. Binance and Mudrex offer distinct experiences. Binance empowers traders with full manual control, ideal for those who want to execute their own strategies and access a broad range of crypto assets. It suits active traders who monitor markets closely and prefer hands-on management. In contrast, Mudrex automates the trading process, making it perfect for investors who prefer a passive approach and rely on tested algorithmic strategies. While Binance provides flexibility and extensive tools, it demands more time and knowledge. Mudrex simplifies investing but limits customization and control. For users wanting to trade frequently or use advanced features, Binance is the better fit. For those prioritizing ease and automation, Mudrex offers a streamlined solution without the need for constant attention. Choose Binance if you want comprehensive trading options, full control over your portfolio, and are comfortable managing trades actively. Opt for Mudrex if you prefer automated crypto investing with minimal effort and risk management handled by experts. Both platforms excel in their domains, so your choice depends on whether you value control or convenience in crypto trading.